Malatia-Sebastia, one of the 12 districts of Yerevan. The name of this place is derived from a place which is also named as Malatia and Sivas, which is now part of the neighboring country. The locals named this place in memory of the previous western part of Armenia. So here is another monument here in Malatia-Sebastia, which is a memorial for the fallen soldiers. And on the walls of the monuments are some engraved faces. Here is another church, Armenian Church. This is the Holy Mother of God Church, and it is the same church of the one, the Zion Church from Armenia. And we are going to buy some candles since it's our first time to visit this church. Holy Mother of God. As they say, this is a rebuilt copy of the church that was ruined beside the Garni Temple, which is the Zion Church. So here's one side of the wall of the Holy Mother of God Church here in Malatia. Wherein part of these walls, the soil that made these walls are coming from the soil of Malatia. The real Malatia place, which is now belongs to the modern neighboring country. There's a cool monument here. By the way, who is this character who killed the dragon? And another monument. We are having a nice walk within the park, but my hands are freezing. Still autumn. Yeah, oh, the leaves wants to hold on. And there are few people walking also alone.
Forty years ago, for World
War II.
War.
World War II Memorial. And what
Memorial,
is this?
yes.
A lot of USSR buildings. SSSR.
SSR.
SSSR. Huh?
Yeah.
SSSR. SSSR.
SSR.
These are buildings from SSSR.
Yeah.
Oh, it's here. Yes, beautiful carpet. And guess what is it? There's a bird, there's a big goat, and animals. Is this Noah's Ark? From visiting the church of the Holy Mother of God, we walked again around 2 kilometers to visit another church, which is a copy of the Roman Zvartnots Cathedral. And yes, guys, Zvartnots Cathedral is the place where Gregor the Illuminator converted the pagan king to Christianity. But Zvartnots Cathedral now is a ruin. So they have rebuilt another church with the same architecture of Zvartnots. And we will disturb a group of people. Hope they will not get angry. Barev says. And another group here. Barev. So that's it. Either they are playing chess or playing cards or just to be in groups and talk. Oh, I don't know what is this place again. I will introduce you to one guy. His name is Andronik Zorovor. And we're getting closer and closer to the church, the Holy Trinity Church, here in Sebastia, Malatia. In Malatia-Sebastia. Which one? Holy Trinity.